When you're training a computer vision classifier to distinguish between an apple and a banana, that's fairly easy. Those objects don't share many traits. But distinguishing between a banana and a plantain is much harder. They share a lot of physical features. And you hit this same issue when building traffic monitoring cameras. A stationary bicycle locked to a rack shares a lot of features with a moving cyclist who's lane splitting through traffic. And that cyclist shares a lot of features with the motorcycle coming up behind it. That person sitting on the motorcycle shares features with the person sitting at the bus stop, who shares features with the other person walking down the street or entering the crosswalk. But if you get any of those IDs wrong, you will critically misunderstand the physical movement that that object may be about to engage in. You accommodate an incoming cyclist very differently than a person sitting at a bus stop. And when you see the motorcycle coming, you factor in the fact that it could accelerate very quickly at any time and adjust your plan accordingly. In this scenario, misclassification is a real problem, and this is a real impediment to the deployment of V2I, Vehicle to Infrastructure Communication. V2I holds the promise of coordinated system-level traffic awareness, of traffic lights that can adapt in real time, and vehicles that can anticipate hazards beyond their line of sight. But if traffic cameras can't distinguish between a pedestrian and a motorist, none of that is ever going to happen. So what can we do about it? The authors of this paper are putting forward a solution called Salient Feature Fusion. Their framework augments a standard YOLO-based object detector with a second branch that extracts boundary and texture features, then fuses them with RGB features to better distinguish between objects. On today's episode of Journal Club, we're going to walk through their system architecture and find out how it works. If you're already subscribed to our email newsletter, then you'll be getting this episode in text, audio, and video form delivered to your inbox in the next few hours. Journal Club, the latest academic research explained in plain English.